I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Arnim Zola in Lego Marvel's Avengers. This iconic villain is a fun character to add to your roster. To begin, you'll need to play through the main story campaign. Specifically, you'll encounter him during a particular mission. Once that mission is complete and the story finished, he becomes available for you to unlock and play as. It's a straightforward process to add him to your collection. The crucial step involves playing the Struck Off the List mission. This is a memorable part of the main story where you'll directly encounter Arnim Zola. You'll need to progress through the level and defeat him as a boss. Successfully completing this mission is essential, as it makes his character token accessible. It's a fun and action-packed mission that brings you closer to adding him to your team. Once you've completed the main story and the Struck Off the List mission, Arnim Zola will be ready for purchase. Navigate to the Character Select screen, often called the Character Grid, and locate him among the villains. He costs 150,000 studs, so make sure you've collected plenty during your adventures. Simply select him and confirm the purchase to add him to your playable characters. Arnim Zola brings some unique abilities to your team. He's particularly skilled with technology, allowing him to interact with computer panels and activate various switches that other characters cannot. This makes him incredibly useful for solving certain puzzles and accessing hidden areas in free play mode. Adding him to your roster expands your options for completing challenges and exploring the game world. Have fun with this distinctive character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.